Alright, y'all see we got the car out here. This man, rich man. Rich man. Yeah. Well, yeah, we finna jack it up, get the wheels off. And then when the 240 gets back, what I'll do is it's just the rear that need to be bled. Keep it there and that 240 go right here. Because I don't really drive it. You don't want to do the rear and the front?
No, the front good. I had to put new smaller brake calibers on the back.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? To fit these wheels.
I don't know. We'll see what we end up doing. I gotta figure out how to move some shit around.
Them things big, boy. Yeah. What tire is it? Seems sticky.
It's a damn, I made it talk to. It'll be alright.
What it do? Fall through the inside?
Yeah, it's a cap. It'll be alright.
You didn't drove with that on?
Hell no, this car haven't moved, bro.
I wouldn't run that on the car.
What?
That center cap. It ain't gonna fly off?
Nah, because once she bolted onto the...
Oh, it pushed it against it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one over here, but you just got the house.
Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna take your wrench. You're gonna go ahead and put it on like so. You're just gonna sit it right there, right? Then you're gonna take your tube. You're gonna put it on there so it catch the fluid that come out in the air, right? You're gonna do it like that. You're gonna sit like that for right now. And what we're gonna do is, Quay, you're gonna get in the car. You're gonna pump the brakes, right? You're gonna pump the brakes. When he pumps the brakes, I'm gonna crack it open real quick, close it. You're gonna just keep doing that over and over again. And you gotta make sure your reservoir is full the whole time you're doing it. You don't wanna lose fluid in your reservoir, because if you lose fluid in your reservoir, it's all gonna be bad. At the merch, man. Now, yeah, I see it. I think you, wait, hold on. You dropped this after you put the single on it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Or before?
So this is my first ever merch.
Yeah.
First ever.
Yes, sir. Y'all go shop with my boy. Told him he the one that need to be recording this. Why he? Yeah, y'all see it one way. Yeah.
These are 328 brake calibers, but you still have to grind them down.
Okay, yeah,
in order to fit the 15-inch rim.
Yeah. Okay.
So
you can still run .4. It just can't be .5.
Yeah.
That's all they say.
But then I think he said we gotta do 2 cycles. We gotta do a cycle like around with the car off.
Yeah.
Then turn the car on so it can go through the system.
I mean, yeah.
That's what he was saying. But we'll see how it feels after we do it like this.
So we already messed up, man. We're supposed to start on the other side of the car. Totally ran past my mind. But yeah, we're gonna start on this side, submerge it in a water bottle this time, because that was not the right method. So put it in a water bottle, yeah, we'll get to it.
Hold it in. Can't do what you do.
Yeah, and then we'll just use this side.
Take the top off.
Yeah.
Damn, this shit probably gonna spill.
All right, that's what we're working with. We got water bottle with brake fluid in the bottom. Make sure it's submerged. This method should work. So, y'all looking up at the thing. Yeah, ain't no more air coming out of it. We do it one more time though. Yep. Yeah, no more air. Alright, now we're gonna move over to that other side. Give me a Alright, so we currently got this much fluid in there. Trying to get the line fully full, and then we'll be off of that. So he's been topping it off, and then that's where we at now. Alright, so we're running a second cycle with the car on, and then should have a firm brake pedal. So we got them somewhat bled, hopefully all the way bled, but you're gonna see if it decides to lose its pedal within us driving or not. Yeah, we'll keep you updated. Y'all look menacing. So I currently just told him to take it down a block real quick and then come back and then we'll see what it do. Tell him to step on it hard real quick, a couple times, see if the pedal drop. You know, bleeding brakes ain't no joke. Playing with your life when you bleeding brakes. If you don't do it right, yeah, life or death situation, you know what I mean? So we don't want to get him out there on the road, he ain't got no pedal no more, you know what I'm saying? So definitely got to keep a check on it. Bleeder valve, he is gonna need a new one. So here you come right now. So this is what's going on, chat. So, bled that side, bled that side. I mean, bled the other side, bled this side, and now we're gonna bleed the front because I think it's air in the front line somewhere. It's air in these lines somewhere because driving around and he said he got a pedal and it went mushy as soon as he put it in drive. So we're gonna do the whole car, all four corners, and if there's something wrong with that, then we know otherwise. So moral of the story is he's gonna get the brakes bleeded for some reason. He did the left passenger rear, the driver's rear. Tried that, didn't work. Got a little bit better of a pedal than he had at first, but it's like it's air somewhere in the system that we just can't find. And then we did run the car back into the garage, jacked up all four, made it level, bled rear passenger, rear driver, and then we went up to the front and did the passenger front and then the driver front. But I think we should have done like this: rear driver, front, no, rear passenger, front, driver, and then we should have went to the back, to the driver's side, and then went over to the front, like a little zigzag. I believe that's the right way to do it, but he was listening to his mechanic at the same time. And yeah, I just went off with the people that have more experience than me. I don't argue with people. So went off with the mechanic's experience that when they have dealt with these cars over and over again, did work in a sense, but couldn't get all the air out of the system in a way. So I don't know if it's something going on in the system, but anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. Like I said, I get a motivational quote every video, and this one today is just to stay positive. You know, no matter what the situation is, just stay positive, you know. But anyways, this will be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we can go on to the next.
I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you.